Scratch players want to find more fantastic games, and creators want to get more feedback. Sound like a game fest? Okay, let's do it! Welcome to Weekly Game Fest, a Scratch game festival presented by Gandi IDE. During this event, creators can show off their games. Games will be ranked by the total playtime and likes from players. Both creators and players can get NG reward. You will have chance to redeem 1 month Nitro. Here is how to join us. Open your game in Gandi IDE. Publish it on Cocrea. Then post the link in the Game Fest channel on our Discord server. The submission will start from November 26th. Join our Discord server for more information. I really want to play your games. See you at the festival!